Okay, number 8. A widely accepted hypothesis about the origin of life on Earth is that life arose approximately 3.5 billion years ago as a result of a complex sequence of chemical reactions that took place spontaneously in the Earth's atmosphere. Another hypothesis about the origin of life suggests that life began somewhere else in the universe and arrived on Earth by chance. Which of the following questions might scientists ask to most reliably determine if there's ever been life on Mars specifically? Okay, answer A. How far from Earth was Mars 3.5 billion years ago? Again, our question isn't whether we received the proto-molecules necessary for life or early protobacteria or anything like that from Mars. The question is if there ever has been life on Mars. This doesn't really have anything to do with that. This is just about distance from Earth. Is there scientific proof that the Earth ever had an oxygen-free atmosphere? That's an interesting question, of course, but it doesn't really answer. It doesn't really go anywhere towards this little point to most reliably determine if there's been life on Mars. Again, we're looking at Earth in this case, which I don't think is going to tell us as much as it would if we could ask more questions about Mars itself. Did Mars have the elements present in its atmosphere to support life? That seems like a good answer. I'm going to put a star by it. Was there oxygen gas on Mars 3.5 billion years ago? That's an interesting question, but I think if your atmosphere is just oxygen, you don't have any of those other elements that you need in large quantities for life, then it doesn't really matter. And plus, this answer includes oxygen as well. Did Mars have the elements, all of the elements present in its atmosphere to support life? That's a good question. Of course, then you can get into philosophical questions about what elements are required for life, since we only know about life on Earth, but that's for another day. Okay, thank you.